Good morning, guys. I am back with a very quick transformational type hairstyle. Very simple. I'm going to attempt a bun today. My hair is still in the two chunky twists, parted down the center, one twist on each side, chunky. And this is the style that I had the other day in the other video. I did not take it down. I just took the scarf off and I went to sleep with on a satin pillowcase. Alright, so what I'm doing, this is the first time I'm trying this particular leave-in by Carol's Daughter. I've had it for a long time. This is the Manoy, what is this, repairing leave-in. I reviewed her other leave-in, which I was not very thrilled about at all. And then I'm following up with some argan oil. This is just a few pumps. And since my hair is not down, I'm just brushing it on because this is a quick situation. And I'm keeping I'm going to attempt to keep the two twists in because I'm recycling them into a bun. Alright, and then I'm doing some argan oil for my edge. Not argan oil, Eco Styler for my edge controller to at least lay edges a little bit, sleek them up. Featuring my puff cuff. This is the Puff Cuff Junior. And let's see. Okay, I got it up. I do want to have some hair off to the side. I don't know how. I might have to just do one side because this is not easy. Let me try this side. See if I have a little bit more ease. Yeah, I should have just took a little piece out. Okay. I guess that's enough. Kind of uneven, but I'll just kind of stuff that back in. Alright. Okay, my hair is a little bit thicker than normal, so hopefully this will wrap around without issue. And it looks like it's doing it. Wait a minute, let me get it all in. Okay, snap. It's in there. Girl. What I just do, huh? What I just do? Mind you, the hairpins that was holding the twist, they're still in there. I didn't take them out. I'm going to try some of this. This is the curl maker. I haven't yet to review it on a wash and go or anything. This is my first time opening it up, but I just wanted to see. Might take a minute for that to pop up. Maybe I should have added a little bit of water. Okay, I'm going to give that a minute to do its thing. Very slippery, I have to give it that. Okay, so I'm done with messing around with these. If they don't pop back, if they don't shrink, then I'm gonna put them back into my hair. I won't know until I guess after it dries if they shrink enough for my taste. And I wanted to try something. I don't even have to do anything else, you guys. Look at that. And I kind of wanted to do some baby hair situations. You know, I don't really spend a whole lot of time doing baby hair, generally speaking. And I got this big old brush trying to do something. But that is pretty much it, y'all. Check it out. So what did that take me? About 3 minutes with the chunky twist. Protective style. It's still a protective style. Recycled. Share, share, share. Thumbs up. Hit the notification button. Subscribe. Live simply and be kind.